So I'm back for a very special DIY. This one is from the Jeremy Scott H&M collaboration. I love that collaboration. It was just so 90s rap, and I wanted to get a lot of things, but things went very quickly, and I thought a lot of things were really expensive, like more than they needed to be. One of them being the chain boots. They were only for men, which I'm like, why? Women would like that too. And then they were pretty expensive, and I thought, I could make that. So I did. Here they are. My version of the chain boots, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own version for less. So here are a few things that you're going to need for this project. The first being a couple tubes of E6000. I used the small tubes to prevent them from drying up too quickly. Also pictured, you will need some chain. Michaels carries a lot of different kinds of chains. They have blinged out gold chains. They have silver chains if you prefer silver. I tried to stay as close to the boot that was in the H&M collab as possible, so that's why I went with the gold chain. You'll also need a pair of jewelry pliers. Here is a larger pair. I also have a small pair as well. And of course, you're gonna need some boots. These are some old boots that I got a couple Christmases ago from my brother. So getting started, the first thing you have to do is take out those shoelaces. You definitely can't do these this DIY with the shoelaces in. Once you've taken out the shoelaces, the next thing you want to do is get your chain and start measuring the side of the boots for how much chain you need. I noticed that on the pictures, the chain covers up the shoelace holes. So that's where you want your chain to be, not next to it, but on top. Once you've figured out just how much chain you need, then get your jewelry pliers and break the chain. I recommend to break the chain one link above where you need it to end. So once you break that link open, you can just easily slide the chain, the amount of chain that you need, off of that link and close it back up using the jewelry pliers. Then once I have my desired length of chain, I just start dotting some E6000 in between the shoelace holes and start putting the adhering the chain to the side of the boot, making sure, of course, to cover those shoelace holes. Pro tip, I would say get 2 packages of chain. I only got one because I could only find one package in the Michaels that I went to, and I ended up running out, and I had to run around to like 2 different Michaels to find the exact same chain. So when you do this craft, get 2 packages, at least, let's see, 60.9 centimeters long for each package, so that way you definitely won't run out trying to cover the side of each boot. Now you can secure that chain while it's drying with either a clothespin or a clamp. I just happen to have some hair clips nearby, so that's what I used, and they definitely did work. It's gonna take a couple of hours for this to dry. I just gave it a day, and I am happy with the result. Here it is. So there you have it. It's a very cool, inexpensive DIY, and it looks so good. I mean, look at these boots. I wear these so much more now that I changed the look of them, and all you have to do is get chain, which probably will cost you about $6. E6000, you probably won't spend more than $5 on that, and if you already have the boots, you're already just spending maybe $11 to get a pair of boots that cost way more. And I encourage you to do this. So if you do decide to do this DIY, I want to see a picture. Post it on Instagram with the hashtag that's going to be somewhere up here. And as always, like and subscribe and leave a comment below. I really look for them. So thank you, everybody. See ya.